If you have one of these water softeners, chances are you've already done a regen, but some people don't know that you can also do a backflush to help extend the life in between a regen process. So today I'm going to walk you through the backflush procedure. Hi friends, thanks for joining me. I'm Steve Vance with RV Squared. Today I am going to walk you through a regen process on this double soft water softener. The procedure is pretty much the same no matter what company you have it for, as long as you have this type of a tank with the resin beads inside. If you've got the replaceable cartridge style, this doesn't really apply to you. What I've done here is I've disconnected my Coach water supply. So normally the water would come out of this from my 3-stage water filter. I think some of you know that. If not, the link is below. I put these together for people. It purifies the water before it goes in the softener, helps extend the life of the softener, or a DI tank as well too. So the water output would come out of this softener, and what I will do is I'll measure my water hardness inside the Coach. But in this case, let's go directly off of the water softener tank itself, and we're going to use the pH strips. This is not the same for DI. Don't get confused. Some people get confused with TDS meters, which is total dissolved solids. That's not what this is. This actually measures the water hardness, and we're going to go ahead and dip this because we're going to see if the backflushing system actually does any good at all. So it's a good experiment. So let's see what it is before we do this. Hold it in here for 3 seconds. Don't shake it, don't stir it. And then you're going to compare it. We're getting up there probably around, I would say, about 120. If you look on here, you'll see that it's right about at 120. All right. So at 120, that's when I'm probably going to regenerate this. And as you know, you take the cap off, all right, and you put 2 pounds of iodized table salt in there, and then you run it through at a trickle. Now the backflush is completely different. It's run at full throttle, and it's running backwards through the tank. So you can't do it with this particular configuration. Now, this particular company, On The Go, gives you this adapter. So this double female coupling is designed to go through the male side of your garden hose into the male side of the softener tank. Well, with my quick couplings, that actually changes everything around. So it's a little hard to unplug this and put in something over here. So what I've done is I've put 2 quick coupling male ends into the female, and that enables me to plug the male into that female and this male into that female, and now I have reverse flow. For an actual backflush, it's just a matter of running this at high flow. We're going to let that flow for about 5 to 8 minutes, and we'll come back and we'll see if that did any good. But that's the procedure. Quick and easy. And even the company will tell you to do this maybe every month, and it'll help sustain you a little bit longer between your recharge or regen. Of course, everything is, your mileage may vary depending on how hard your water is coming in. People that are like in the west side, like Arizona, the real hard water states, nothing's going to help you. You just got to continually recharge these things. But anyway, we're going to let this thing flow, and we'll be back. All right, so it's been about 8 minutes of flushing. So let's go ahead and rotate this around. Take the backflush adapter off, and let's run it. Once I get a steady stream, rinse the cup off. Take a sample, and out of curiosity, let's see how much good that did, if any. These things have to be kept dry and in a cool environment. They're getting a little bit old, so they may not be super accurate any longer, but they seem to do the job. Expires 5/21, and that's 2 years expired. Oh well. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and really not much different. Yeah, really not much different at all, between 120, 180. So, but the point of the matter is, manufacturer does suggest it, and it'll help extend the life. So that's the procedure, and thank you for watching. Now at least you know, if that applies to you and you want to give it a shot, can't hurt anything at all. All right, take care, safe travels as always.